After meeting Kayleigh at a friend's wedding nearly 6 years ago, I knew Matt found the person that he wanted to spend the rest of his life with. Aww. Kayleigh, you effortlessly light up any room with your infectious personality, your beautiful smile, as we're seeing right now. While I wish I saw you two love birds more, I couldn't be happier that my best friend has found his soulmate who loves him for who he is, even if it's a Viking. So let's raise a glass to Kayleigh and Matt.
Oh, thank you. For some reason was quite interested in finding a New York guy. Anyway, my friends were kind of like, you haven't been on a date in a year, move it back to London, go on some dates. So I moved it back and swiped on Matt, and it came up a match. He was in London, but actually he was in New York visiting his family.
Yeah, it was around Christmas, and coincidentally was in New York at the time. So yeah, well, first drink, I invited Kayleigh out in Dalston. A few drinks and a Red Bull beforehand so I can stay chatty and entertaining. But I always remember Kayleigh walking in and like big beaming smile and big eyes, bright eyes, and just put me at ease like right away.
Step 2, the perfect romantic setting in Cameron House, complete with Kayleigh's friends mysteriously suggesting, Kayleigh, why don't you get your nails done? Very subtle.
Oh my God, I'm gonna kill you. And he's like, let's go to Photobooth. I'm like, yeah, let's go. Okay, sure, let's go to Photobooth.
Then came the moment of truth. Matt asked Kayleigh to stand on a rock, the same rock where Kayleigh had previously made Matt jump from into the freezing Scottish water to prove that he loved Scotland.
Sure, no problem. So I was like balancing on this rock, and then I was like, why is he filming that? And I thought maybe he's just going to take a screenshot from the video or something.
And there, Matt dropped to one knee and asked Kayleigh to be his partner in all their life's adventures. She said yes.
Oh, you're looking beautiful.
Thank you. You look lovely as well. You look so nice. Oh, yeah.
Fuck, I'm about to go.
Don't go yet. This isn't go yet.
I'm already crying.
So Kayleigh said on your first date.
Matthew, love is about choosing each other every day, and I vow to always choose you, even in tough times.
Kayleigh, I've come to realize that you are the greatest gift I've ever received in this life. You've brought so much love, positivity, support, and direction into my life that I have no doubt you are the perfect partner for me.
Love is us, an unbreakable bond that one that I vow to cherish, protect, and nurture forever.
I promise to always support you through everything and to always be the man you need me to be. And easiest of all, I promise to always love you to my last breath in this life.
Kayleigh and Matt, I have much pleasure in declaring you legally married. You are now husband and wife.
When Kayleigh was only 8 years old, she went out with her young girls' organisation called the Brownies. She went out on this day trip to a theme park, and her mum had given her some money to buy something in the gift shop for herself, really. But she came back from the trip with a bar of chocolate for her grandparents, a bar of chocolate for Mum and I, a softie toy for her sister. And her mum said, "Where's yours from the gift shop?" And she replied, "Not enough money to get anything for me." So that little story, it showed her generous nature back then, even at that young age.
You've got the mother pig.